The 14-piece Japanese knife set by SYOKAMI showcases unmatched craftsmanship, resulting from a meticulous 56-step manufacturing process that ensures exceptional sharpness and precision. Each knife features an ergonomic and non-slip handle, designed for comfort and safety, allowing for extended use without causing hand strain. This knife set makes for an ideal gift, perfect for any occasion, thanks to its remarkable craftsmanship, elegant design, and the added peace of mind from a lifetime warranty. The vertical acacia magnetic knife holder is inspired by traditional Japanese design, providing practical partition storage, visualization, and blade protection, all while maintaining aesthetic appeal. The thoughtful design of the knife holder prevents tipping, ensuring strong magnetic suction and safety when removing knives, which sets it apart from traditional magnetic holders. SYOKAMI's knife set is SGS-certified, affirming its high quality and safety standards, making it a reliable choice for any kitchen.